guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create this like highlighter effect on like your text. So I'm just going to choose like the paper background. You don't have to, you can of course choose any background you want, like maybe the like a newspaper background or whatnot. I'm just going to use like this paper background kind of. Add in your text. I'm just going to type in the word highlight. Also going to change the color and the font as well. I'm just trying to find a font that I want to use, which is the, where is it? It was like down here. Oh, there you go. I'm also going to change the color so you can see the font. Sorry, the text. Then you are going to add in like a color. I'm just going to quickly use this first as the example here, and then I'm going to go to canvas, go to color. You can select like a pink color or like a yellow color or like a neon green one. It's more versatile here. So this is kind of like that pink neon highlighter color, I guess. Then I'm just going to go here and select export still frame and select import project. That's the most important button that you need to select. So when you go to library here, it's going to show up. You're going to add it in front, like on top of the text. Go to the basics tool and try to like crop it like that. And try to like adjust it to your text like that, so it looks like a highlight kind of vibe. And here you're just going to adjust the opacity, or go to, wait, hold on, or make it like as an overlay, I guess, like that. If it's too like bright, you can just adjust which one suits it the best. I might go with just the normal and adjust the opacity myself. Like that, I guess. Okay, I guess it's kind of the same as the overlay one. And then you're going to go to mask and you're going to select the film strip. Oh, sorry, the split one. And you're going to rotate it. Where do people highlight from? Like this? Okay. And you're going to put it here. And you can like feather it out just a little bit though. And at the beginning of the picture, you're going to add in a keyframe. And kind of like at the end, you're going to want to put it at the edge. If it's taking too long, just adjust where you want to put the keyframes here. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!